Welcome to another episode of Chef Boy Artie. I am here to show you how to make 1 minute butterscotch fudge. Yes, I'm going to make it with butterscotch. And we're going to use 3 cups of Nestle butterscotch, Whole House butterscotch, or butterscotch morsels. And the other ingredient is condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Cup number 1, cup number 2, cup number 3. Here we go. I'm gonna pour this in here, and boy, it's gonna take forever. And here we go, we stir, throw it in the microwave. Hey, sit back and enjoy the music. Melt it now, we just stir it up, and boy, it is starting to thicken up just like fudge. Get it all mixed up. Alrighty, I'm going to pour it into this pan. Let's get a really good view of that. Ready? Let's get it all poured into the pan. Yeah. Oh boy. Almost had another accident. All ready? Smooth it out.